Hey everyone, before I start my tutorial video, my name is Nilanjalo Duyugan. So, designing in Android Studio is one of the most important skills that every beginner in Android development should learn. During the development of my project, I gained knowledge on how to use the design tools in Android Studio, and I would like to share what I learned in a tutorial style explanation. By following these steps, any beginner can start creating simple and functional layouts for Android application. So the first step in designing is to set up Android Studio and create a new project. After opening the software, I chose Empty Activity as a template because it provides a clean starting point. Then my project and selected Java or Kotlin as a programming language. Example, name Claude, Claude, and choose Kotlin or Groovy. Choose Kotlin and click Finish. Once a project was created, Android Studio generated the main activity and its corresponding layout file called activity_main.xml. Set content view r.layout r.layout dot activity vt underscore main. Alt enter. Create. Okay. Zoom. The layout file is where the design of app happens. Android Studio provides two ways to design: the design view and the code view. So, kani ang gitawag nila og design view. Ang code view kay kani. So, muna sa ang code view. So, muna ang design view. So, diri sa ta sa design view. Design view allows you to drag and drop components onto the screen, while the code view allows you to manually write XML code to control every detail. For beginners, the drag and drop feature is very helpful, but learning XML gives more control later on. So for example, magputog image here, pero sa dili sana ato ni siyang convert into constraint layout. Okay. Put here and click here and click OK. So, nauna siya no. Oh. So, natulo. So, this is a example of image view. This image view. So, if you put text view here, example here, if you change the text inside, you click attributes. Uh, for example, dog. Enter and here. Dog here and text, and this is the deleted text here, buttons here, widgets, widgets, here, and layouts, containers. For example, the letter is atong padakon ang size sa letter. Nakasad are. Pwede na sad natong imong 20, then color, then textile. Here. And in my design, so I click buttons. For example, chip, uh, check box here. For example, and the text view is used to display text, title, or instruction, while edit text allows the user to input text. The button is added to perform an action when tapped, and the image view can be used to display an app, logo, or any picture. By dragging these elements, into the layout and arranging them consistently out, I was able to position them neatly on the screen. No? So, example na siya guys ah. Example na siya sa itong ipang tuklok. After adding the components, I customize them changing their text font size. No? So, text font size. Here. Font. Here. And font size. Here. And bold. Here. It stands out. Unchanged, the button or color make it more visible. Android Studio provides a properties panel that makes editing these attributes simple. The final step was to view and test the design. Android Studio has built-in emulator that shows how the app will look on actual Android phone. I clicked the run button, selected a virtual device, and waited for the app to launch. Seeing the layout on the emulator gave me a clear idea of how user will experience the interface. So we'll try to delete magbutang tag new picture para nindot kita naon. Image. Cheta. So text view. Here. Oops. For example, here. So here cheta. Enter. Text size. I will put 60. Here. So I will change the color, color. No, no, no. Bold. So, in designing Android Studio is a step-by-step process that starts with creating a project, building and layout with components, customizing their properties, and finally previewing the app on an emulator or real device. Through this process, I learned not only how to create simple design but also how to make them user-friendly and visually appealing by sharing this tutorial. Help I hope to help and understand that Android Studio is not intimidating as it seems, and with practice, anyone can create attractive app design. And I hope that's all. Thank you.